Okay, so here I have a 2017 XC60, and I just removed the rear bumper to build it completely. So here it is, how it looks with a bumper removed. Here we have a harness for the sensors and fog lights, and here is the module for the cross traffic alert, I think, or blind spot. So that's how it looks. So to remove the bumper is easy. There are only screws here on the side, here, right there on the, and there's like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, I think, and on the other side, and then in the bottom, and then in the bottom here. So okay, and here I have a rear bumper removed from the XC60, and we can see I built it, so it's not completed yet. I have to attach the exhaust tips, but most of it is already done. So I want to show the so the parts that need to go first is the harness with the sensors, and then the this skid plate in the bottom. This one, this should go first, and then the brackets on the side for the tips, for the exhaust tips. So all you have to do is push them in, and then the fog lights, and there are screws, 3 screws on each side, and the exhaust tips, of course, and that would be it. Here's the everything behind the rear bumper. I'm gonna install the exhaust tips right now. Okay, so here I installed the exhaust tips, and there's 2 screws on each side, and slides in here, so very easy. Here is the other side, also 2 screws, and goes inside here. So yeah, the whole bumper is completed, and I'm gonna install it in the car right now. Okay, so I put the bumper in place, so very easy. I just pushed it in right there and there under the taillights, and it went nice in, and I connected the harness on this side, on the passenger side, and right now I'm gonna push this here. Just make sure they go in the right spot, right there. Right there. Okay, and then it has to go right here, so I have to pull it right there, right, like just like that. And then we have the fender liner, I mean the splash shield right there, and on the other side the same thing. It has to go inside, just right there. Rear bumper, very easy. to install. And then we have the screws right there, and then we have something here. I forgot. Oh, that's a stop probably for the tailgate. And then we have a couple on the bottom. So there are, how many? I think four screws on the bottom. So yeah, that's it. Rear bumper is easy to install.